Say, I'm standing in Papa's lap. Papa's arm. Wave at Papa. Legs are anchored. Whoa, and there she went.
Stand up. Stand up, you drunk butt.
Do it again.
Behind you. Oh, right. Excuse me. Whoa, a real howler in July, yes? Very
All right, move the other hand real quick. Let's see what she does. Both hands are up. Of course, she's reaching for it.
No, Karen. Oh dear, that's no good. See, this is from our winter stock.